Hello class 9th. Today in your this YouTube video we are going to study about chemical activity of an atom. We have already studied in periodic table that there are 18 groups and 18th group is a group in which most stable elements are present and they are known as noble gases. And what is the basis of their stability? That is their electronic configuration. If you check the electronic configuration of all the noble gases or rare gases, you will find that their outermost shell, whatever is there, is complete. In case of helium, first shell is the outermost shell and that contain 2 electrons. And if we move on to neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon, they have all the gases whichever are there have completed their octet. So that is the reason, because their outermost shell is complete, contain 8 electron, a rule was given that element whichever attains or try to complete its octet or 8 electron in the outermost shell is a stable element, because this octet is a stable electronic configuration also. So if we see according to that, so every element want to become stable. So every element does not have a stable electronic configuration. If you talk about group 1, they have 1 electron in the outermost shell. If you talk about second group, they are having 2, then third group, they are having 3 electron in the outermost shell. If you talk about non-metals, they are having 5, 6, 7 electron in the outermost shell. Their octet is not complete. They are known as representative elements. So what will they do? They will combine with one another. So how will they try to become stable? They will try to combine with one another by taking their electrons or giving their electrons to acquire a octet condition in their outermost shell. In that condition, some of the elements will try to lose electrons, and some of the elements in the periodic table, those who are non-metals, will try to gain electrons. If you talk about alkali metal group 1, alkaline earth metal group 2 or group 13, they have 1, 2 or 3 respectively electrons in their outermost shell. So they want to acquire the nearest noble gas configuration. Nearest noble gas configuration. If you take to sodium, sodium is having 2, 8, 1. So what will sodium do? It will try to lose 1 electron from its outermost shell and form cation to get 2, 8 neons electronic configuration. So every element, metals generally go back by losing the electron, whereas non-metal have 5, 6, 7 electron in the outermost shell. They cannot lose, but they can gain electrons. So what is the basis of chemical reactivity of an atom? They will either lose electron or they will either gain electron to acquire the octet condition or to acquire stable electronic configuration. So number of electron gained, lost or shared to attain octet gives the combining capacity of that element, and that is also known as valency. That is also known as valency. So when they are combining with one another, they develop a force of attraction. When two atoms comes near to each other, there is what? A force of attraction comes, and that force of attraction bringing two atoms together, we call it chemical bond. A chemical bond may be defined as the force of attraction between two atoms that binds the atoms together. So this was the basis for chemical activity of atom. So I hope you understood the answer to the question, why do atoms combine?